What's up guys, it's Chase over here at SwirlX. Finally got the C8 Z06 cleaned up. Like I said, we got the Flexfilm PPF on it. We've got the Flexfilm ceramic on it. A lot of gloss, super slick, came right back to where we needed it. The good thing about this is regardless how dirty it gets, just a quick rundown, wash, run it, with a pressure washer. All the gloss came back, comes back to right where we left it. Keep in mind, A-pillars are done, full front end's done. You get a glance of all that, headlights, full bumper. I mean, everything turned out amazing on it. We do the alpha glass coating that you can get from Flexfilm. I've used a lot of high dollar, professional grade ceramic coatings. By far, this is the best one I've found. I've run it on my personal RS5. We've done a lot of high dollar vehicles in it. Real good coating. I highly suggest it. I would just kind of like to mention this ceramic coating on it. This is a very, very quick process that you got to be on top of. This is not a DIY product. They do offer some DIY products for beginners and people are just kind of doing it at their house. This needs to be done in a climate controlled shop. Your flash times are very, very quick. You'll develop high spots very, very easy. One of the good things that tells me that this is a very good ceramic coating is your high spots, if you leave them on there, you literally cannot get them off. What that tells me is if your high spots are that dense, when it soaks to the clear, it is a very, very high grade, high density coating that's going to prevent scratches, make water literally just sheet right off of it. That's why I chose to use them just through trial and error with different other companies. I've been very happy with the product. I mean, you see the car, just an insane amount of gloss. We don't have those fancy hex lights, so you don't have any light manipulation going on in here. This is how the car looks. It is what it is. Owner's been very happy with it. If y'all have any questions, you need anything, you can always contact Flexfilm. Ralph and all the guys over there, they're amazing to deal with. Customer service is top notch.